last month at IMI Kolkata wasn't just about fun. It was packed with real learning. One of the biggest takeaways for us, it was our PhD Unplugged, where industry leaders spoke to us directly through their guest speaker series. We heard from the president strategy and value creation on how businesses grow long term. And in the session on strategies for a future ready you, we learned how we can build our personal brand and adaptable to a changing world.
When I joined IMI Kolkata, I expected lectures and assignments, not dancing on the cruise with the people I had just met or singing my heart out at the freshers party. Beyond the fun, there were real challenges too, like crafting an ad with my team in under 24 hours. High pressure, right? But it's incredibly rewarding. And during the competition, we pushed our limits and proudly secured the second place. From dance floor to deadlines, every experience taught us something. How to collaborate under pressure, adapt quickly, and celebrate both small and big wins with my team.
A month filled with learning, creativity, and collaboration. Right from day one, we were involved in team activities that challenged us to come out of our comfort zones and think differently. In Branded, we built a fictional brand from scratch, sparking creativity and teaching us how to ideate under constraints. The mini case study challenge pushed us to think analytically and make decisions under pressure. And through storytelling via presentation, we learned how to connect with an audience while working seamlessly as a team.
The guest lectures gave us industry insights from day one, while club introductions helped us to find our passion and align with like-minded peers. Activities like Fireless Cooking competitions, cruise tours, and mini case competitions taught us values like teamwork, creativity, and thinking on our feet. These are essential for being in a B school and beyond.
From midnight brainstorms to dancing our hearts out, we'll leave it all.
We came as an individual, we grew as a team.
This is IMI Kolkata, where moments become milestones.
Every crazy moment, every inside joke. This is what pure happiness feels like.
We didn't just win an award, we won each other, and that's everything.
IMI Kolkata didn't just teach us, it made us believe we can conquer the world together.
8 winners, infinite dreams, and one unbreakable bond. Thank you IMI Kolkata for giving us everything.
If you felt the vibe, then you are meant to be here at IMI Kolkata.
Thank you IMI Kolkata!